The new ID, Polo GTI, is not just another electric hatchback. It is the beginning of a completely new GTI era. For 50 years, GTI stood for one thing: compact performance with real emotion. And now, Volkswagen brings that formula into the electric future. This is the first fully electric GTI ever built. And surprisingly, it still feels like a real GTI. 226 horsepower, 290 Newton meters, delivered instantly. Front-wheel drive, electronic front differential lock, adaptive DCC sport suspension, 0 to 100 in just 6.8 seconds. But the real story is not only speed, it is agility, precision, and the way the car reacts through corners. Volkswagen even created a dedicated GTI driving mode. One button changes everything: steering response, suspension setup, throttle calibration. Even the cockpit graphics switch into a special GTI layout. Visually, the ID, Polo GTI, keeps classic GTI DNA alive. The iconic red stripe, honeycomb details, 19-inch wheels, and a much more aggressive stance. Inside, Volkswagen mixes nostalgia with modern technology. Sport seats with reinterpretation of the legendary GTI plaid pattern. Red stitching everywhere, and even retro digital displays, inspired by the original Golf GTI. But despite being sporty, the ID, Polo GTI, remains practical. Up to 1,240 liters of cargo space. Enough room for everyday life, road trips, or even e-bikes. The 52 kilowatt-hour battery delivers up to 424 kilometers of WLTP range. And fast charging, from 10 to 80%, takes around 24 minutes. The new ID, Polo GTI, does not try to imitate the past. Instead, it evolves the GTI idea for a new generation. Electric, compact, practical,